Okay, guys, I'm going to do a quick video. I think most of you can pretty much easily figure out how to use Amazon Smile, but I'll do a quick video nonetheless, just in case you're having trouble with it. So the first thing you're going to do when you use Amazon Smile, you can get part of your Amazon purchases donated to a charity of your choice, as long as they're registered with Amazon to receive that. There's thousands of charities that are registered, and I'm going to talk about one specifically today. But in order to take advantage of this, you're going to have to go to smile.amazon.com, and you need to do that anytime you shop, anytime you buy anything from Amazon. Make sure you're always just using that smile.amazon.com link to go directly and purchase things. Also, something else to keep in mind, if you buy things off of your phone, you will need to go onto your phone app and you'll need to enable Amazon Smile purchases on your phone app. And I think they actually automatically come off like every 90 days or every so often. So you'll have to make sure that you keep every now and again turning that on. I guess that's Amazon's way of kind of creating a barrier of entry to their giving. But nonetheless, I'm glad that they do this. So if you go to smile.amazon.com, what you need to do is you need to first set up where your donations are going to go to. And keep in mind, this doesn't cost you anything. When you turn this on, or when you start using this, it does not increase the prices of anything you're purchasing. It is no cost to you. It is just something that Amazon does that strangely is not very well known, that they just give a small portion to a charity that you can pick. So if you go over to your account button over here and go down to your Amazon Smile. Now, of course, you'll have to log in. I'm already logged in. You have to have an account for this. Go to your Amazon Smile, and you can see, of course, we're already set up to give money to Blessed Homes, and it'll give you the money you generated. It's not a huge amount, but the idea here is that if you get 100 or 1,000 people to give to the same charity, then it adds up and becomes substantial. So you'll go up here and you'll go to change your charity. And then it says charity name or location. Of course, I've typed in Blessed Homes before. It'll give you some ones that it's going to push for you to do. And of course, it's your money, your Amazon account. You can do whatever you want to do. But I'm suggesting that you do Blessed Homes. And then you just type it. Hit search, and the one that you're wanting is this one that says Collegeville, Pennsylvania. The very first one up here says Collegeville. Now, of course, they're not located in Collegeville. They're located in Thailand, but this is kind of where the money routes through to get to them, and I've spoken with them recently. They are receiving the checks, so this is all working as it's supposed to work. So you just hit select, and then it tells you, and then of course over time you can look and you can see how much money has been generated for whatever charity you choose. Now, of course, I'm suggesting that I'm asking you, if you don't have a charity that you're passionate about, I'm asking you to consider going ahead and making your charity Blessed Homes. They don't do a lot of advertising, but they do a great work. I'm going to put a link in the description below so you can check out what they do, but they basically provide, they run orphanages on they're in Thailand, but they're right there near the Burma-Myanmar border there. My family has been there before, and I can tell you one thing I like about this organization is, they're lean. There's only a few people there from other countries that are there kind of running things and helping out day to day. They don't have this big elaborate staff. Most of their staff, as you'll see on their website, are local national people that have been trained because they can be there much less expensively than sending a bunch of people from overseas. So this is a very efficient, very well-run organization. A lot of charities are kind of bogged down in a machine of moving parts, and you don't wind up being as efficient to getting the money to where it needs to be. But this organization is very efficient, very minimal overhead, and the money just gets right to where it needs to be. So I really encourage you to check them out. And if you don't have a charity that you're giving to, take just a few minutes, set this up on your computer. Make sure you go to your phone and set it up on your app if you're buying through your app. And I don't have that up yet, but I'll maybe try to make a video of that some other time. And I'm sure, everything you do will be very, very well appreciated. It's an easy way to give. It doesn't really cost you anything.